latest dispatch just received in our newsroom. The killers are eating the flesh of the people they murdered.
Georgia, he was looking for soul to steal. He was in a bag, he was way behind, he was willing to make a deal. When he came across this young boy sawing on a fiddle and playing it hot, well, the devil jumped up on the hickory stump, said, boy, let me tell you what. I guess you didn't know him, but I'm a fiddle player too. Now if you care to make a dare, well, I'll make a bet with you. Now you play pretty good fiddle, boy, but give the devil his due. I bet a fiddle of gold against your soul, I think I'm better than you. The boy said, my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet. You're gonna regret, 'cause I'm the best there's ever been. Johnny, rising up your bow, play your fiddle hard, 'cause hell's broke loose in Georgia and the devil deals the cards. And if you win, you'll get this shiny fiddle made of gold, but if you lose, the devil gets your soul. Hey! So the devil opened up his case, and I guess I'll start the show. And fire flew from his fingertips, he rosined up his bow. And he drew that bow across the strings, it made an evil hiss. And a band of demons joined in, it sounded something like this. Johnny said, well, you're pretty good, old son. Sit down in that chair right there, let me show you how it's done. He played fine about drum, boy, drum. Devil's in the house, the rising sun. Chicken bread by looking out door. Friends and steak by no time, no. Devil bowed his head because he knew that he'd been beat. He laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. And then Johnny said, devil, just come on back. You ever want to try again? 'Cause I told you once, you son of a gun, I'm the best there's ever been. He played fire.